Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for detailed tech reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you PC builders out there: the MSI ProSeries AMD Ryzen motherboard. But before we dive into this review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. The MSI ProSeries AMD Ryzen motherboard is here to meet the demands of professionals and gamers alike. Let's take a closer look at the features that make it a powerhouse in the world of motherboards. First things first, this motherboard supports a wide range of processors, including 1st, 2nd, and 3rd general AMD Ryzen. Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics, 2nd gen Ryzen with Radeon graphics, and Athlon with Radeon Vega graphics. No matter your choice, you're in good hands. When it comes to memory, this motherboard supports DDR4 memory with speeds of up to 3466 plus MHz. Get ready for smooth multitasking and lightning-fast data processing. The Turbo M.2 feature is a game-changer, allowing you to run NVMe-based SSDs at full throttle with PCIe Gen 3x4 support. Say goodbye to slow load times and hello to productivity. MSI has made troubleshooting a breeze with the Easy Debug LED. It's the easiest way to identify and resolve any issues quickly, saving you time and frustration. Core Boost is where performance meets power efficiency. MSI's advanced CPU power delivery system ensures precise current output to your CPU, giving you the performance you need for demanding tasks. MSI takes memory stability seriously. With an optimized memory circuit design and extensive compatibility testing, you can trust that your memory will perform flawlessly. When it comes to graphics cards, MSI has your back with PCI Express steel slots. These slots are reinforced and shielded to handle the weight of even the heaviest graphics cards, ensuring durability and stability. Audio enthusiasts, take note. The MSI ProSeries motherboard features Audio Boost, offering a dedicated HD audio processor, amplifier, and high-quality audio capacitors. Say goodbye to audio interference and hello to pristine sound. Turbo M.2 isn't just about fast boot times, it also delivers insanely quick loading of applications and data with speeds of up to 32 gigabits per second per device using Gen 3 x4. Your storage performance will never be the same. With enhanced BIOS compatibility and cross-gen Ryzen support, this motherboard is ready to handle Ryzen 3000 series processors and beyond. Plus, MSI's Click BIOS 5 makes system tuning a breeze. Last but not least, this motherboard rocks a Micro-ATX form factor, making it a great choice for those looking to build a compact and powerful PC. In conclusion, the MSI ProSeries AMD Ryzen motherboard is a top-tier choice for both professionals and gamers. With its versatile processor support, memory capabilities, and a host of performance-enhancing features, it's a motherboard that delivers in every aspect. There you have it, folks, our in-depth review of the MSI ProSeries AMD Ryzen motherboard. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, happy building!